Hello everybody, I'm Roman Roberts and we are doing additional mathematics chapter 23 and we are on exercise 23.3 and today I'll be solving the 10th question. Okay, question number 10. So, number 10. It says here points A and B have position vectors A and B respectively relative to an origin O. So we can say that OA is equals to A and OB is equals to B. P is a point on OA such that OP is equals to 3OA and Q is on OB produced such that OQ is equals to 2OB. The lines AQ and BP meet at R. Express AQ and BP, AQ and BP. We have to express this in terms of A and B. In terms of A and B, what AQ and BP is equal to. Given that AR is equal to lambda AQ and BR is equals to mu BP, express OR in terms of A, lambda, A and B, and in terms of mu, A and B. Hence determine the value of lambda and mu. If you determine the value of lambda and mu equals to how much? And find the position vector R. We need to find OR as well. So this is the data. Now I'll solve. Solution. Now first let me find AQ. AQ is equals to AO plus OQ. Or I can write it down as AQ is equals to OQ minus OA. Now let's put the value. AQ is equals to OQ is equals to 2OB and OA is equals to A. And you know that OB is equals to B. So 2B minus A, this is the answer for AQ. So I've just calculated, I've just worked out AQ in terms of A and B and I got this. Now let's find BP. BP is equals to BO plus OP. Or I can say BP is equals to OP minus OB. Hence BP is equals to, the value of OP is 3OA minus OB. Let's put the value. OA is equals to A and OB is equals to B. So BP is equals to 3A minus B. So I've got BP in terms of A and B as well. Now we find AR. Okay. AR is equals to AO plus OR. Or I can say AR is equals to OR minus OA. And what is AR? AR is equals to lambda AQ. Lambda AQ is equals to OR minus OA is equals to A. And lambda AQ we know is equals to 2B minus A. Bring minus A on the other side, plus A is equals to OR. So let's open this, expand this bracket to B lambda minus A lambda plus A is equals to OR. Hence I can say OR is equals to, taking A common, 1 minus lambda plus 2B lambda. This is what OR is equals to. Right? Now, I got the first part OR A in terms of lambda A and B. Lambda A and B. Now I'll find in terms of mu A and B. Okay? So I'll just work this out. Now we know that BR is equals to BO plus OR, or I can say BR is equals to mu BB is equals to OR minus OB. Mu and BP we know is equals to 3A minus B equals to OR minus B. Bring minus B on one side, so I'll get OR is equals to B plus 3a mu minus b mu by expanding it. So OR is equals to 3a mu plus, taking b common, 1 minus mu. Hence I got the value of OR in terms of mu, a and b. Okay, so I'll just work this out. Now I need to find the value of lambda and mu. So what I'll do is that I'll equate these two equations. I've got OR in terms of a lambda b and OR in terms of a mu and b. So I can equate these two equations. Equating equation 1 and equation 2, I'll get a into 1 minus lambda plus 2b lambda equals to 3 a mu plus b 1 minus mu. Now from here I'll get taking the quotient of a, I'll get 1 minus lambda equals to 3 mu, and let's call this equation number 3, and taking the quotient of b over here, I'll get 2 lambda equals to 1 minus mu, equation number 4. Now I need to find the value of mu and lambda. So from equation number 3, I can calculate mu is equals to 1 minus lambda upon 3. Now I will substitute the value of mu from equation 3 in equation 4. So equation 4 will now be 2 lambda equals to 1 minus, in place of mu I am putting the value 1 minus lambda upon 3. There you are. So now I'll get 2 lambda equals to, taking 3 as your LCM, 3 minus 1 is plus lambda, take 3 over there, so I'll get 6 lambda equals to 3 minus 1 will give you 2 plus lambda. Bring lambda on the other side, 6 lambda minus lambda is equals to 2, so I'll get lambda is equals to 2 upon 5. Because 6 lambda minus 1 lambda is 5 lambda. Hence I've got the value of lambda. Now I need to find the value of mu. So I'll substitute it in this equation, in equation number 3. Let me do it over here, equation number 3. Mu is equals to 1 minus lambda is equals to 2 upon 5 divided by 3. So I'll get, taking 5 as the LCM, 5 minus 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Hence 3 upon 5 times 1 upon 3. 3 and 3 will cancel out. So I'll get mu is equals to 1 upon 5. Hence I found the value of lambda and mu. Now I need to find the value of OR. So what is OR equals to? Putting the value of lambda and mu in any one of the equation, either equation 1 and 2, you'll get the value of OR. Let me substitute it in the first equation. So my first equation, OR is equals to A 1 minus lambda is equals to 2 over 5 plus 2 2b, and lambda is equals to 1 over 5 or 2 over 5, right? So taking 5 as your LCM, 5 minus 2, a plus 2 2s are 4, b over 5. 5 minus 2 will give you 3, so 3 over 5a plus 4b over 5. Okay, so this is what AR is equals to, OR is equals to 3 over 5a plus 4b over 5. Right? You can leave the answer till here, or you could take 5 common. We could confirm this by substituting the value of mu in this equation and see whether OR is equals to the same. OR is equals to 3 times A, mu is 1 over 5 plus B, 1 minus 1 over 5. So we'll get 3A over 5 plus, taking 5 as the LCM. So 5 minus 1 will give you 4 over 5B. Right? Correct. So we can substitute the value of lambda in first equation, get the value of OR, substitute the value of mu in the second equation and get the value of OR, and you can see they're both the same. So hence we have determined the value of mu and lambda, and we found the position vector R, that is OR. Thank you very much. Hope to see you.